Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to unlock Infinix phone if forgot password. So I have Infinix Note 40X 5G in my hand. So in this video I'm going to show you how to unlock Infinix phone if forgot password. So here you can see enter password, and you can see incorrect password entered. Okay, to unlock it you have to first power it off. Now press and hold the power button. Now tap to power off. Okay, now it is successful power off. Now press and hold the power and volume up key for a few seconds. Press and hold it. Now release the power key and keep pressing the volume up key. And you can see XOS no command. Now here press the power and volume up key to go in Android recovery mode. Now you are in Android recovery mode. Here you can see. Now here volume key is to move up and down, and power button to confirm. So here go to wipe data factory reset and confirm. And guys, read it carefully. Wipe all user data. This cannot be undone. All stored data files will be deleted after factory data reset. Now go to factory data reset and confirm. And you can see data wipe complete. Now reboot system now. And guys, after hard reset might take some time to put to the device, and after hard reset again ask for password, pin or pattern. Use previously logged in Google account to unlock the phone. So guys, this is the method to unlock Infinix phone if forgot password. Guys, thanks for watching. If you have any query related to this video, let me know in comment section below. Please like, share, subscribe and click on bell icon for the latest updates.